Harvest Moon is a farm simulation role-playing video game series published by Natsume. The main objective of the games is to rebuild a rundown old farm and turn it into a successful one. The most recent game was Harvest Moon: Light of Hope, released for Microsoft Windows in 2017. Previously, Natsume published the series Bokujō Monogatari in North America under the title Harvest Moon. However, the developer of this series, Marvelous Entertainment, decided to have their own American division, Xseed Games, take over North American distribution in 2014. However, due to Natsume keeping the rights to the Harvest Moon name, the latest title in the series had to change its name to Story of Seasons, while Natsume took the opportunity to start making their own Harvest Moon games with Harvest Moon: The Lost Valley. The move has caused a degree of confusion. Origins: the name Harvest Moon was originally used for the series created by Marvelous, known in Japan as Bokujō Monogatari, G4I lit. Rant story. Natsume initially distributed this series under the name Harvest Moon outside of Japan until 2014. At the time, Natsume maintained the rights to the Harvest Moon series name after Marvelous announced that it would have its subsidiary, Xseed Games, take over North American distribution. Because of this, Xseed began localizing the series to North America under the Story of Seasons title, beginning with the release of the game of the same name. In 2007, Natsume has taken the opportunity to develop their own farm simulator series using the name Harvest Moon in North America and Europe, beginning with the release of Harvest Moon: The Lost Valley. The resulting spin-off series has caused some degree of confusion among fans and video game news sources. List of games. Reception. Notes. References. External links. Natsume official site. Harvest Moon series at Curly.